Jeep BFFs, it looks like. See? This could be us, but in vans. Having a van that looks cool makes road trips more fun. That's the car guy in me. Getting to the destination driving this van is every bit as fun as arriving to the destination. Van's all cleaned up, ready for the next road trip. Here you go, real van life. We just rolled out of bed, getting ready. It was my birthday weekend. I put this on my Amazon wish list. My girlfriend got this for me. I saw that Adventure Ready Van Life has one, and I said, that's a good idea. You could never have enough storage in a van. So lots of videos uploaded, lots of footage. So I uploaded a lot of videos the past couple of days. I see a lot of new faces in the comments. So to the new faces in the comments, welcome to my channel. I respond to every comment. I enjoy interacting with like-minded individuals, and to the regulars of my channel, always appreciate the support. Over the weekend, I got a message on Instagram from one of my viewers. He told me he's not really into social media, but he wanted to send me a message. He said he's been watching my channel for years, and he offered me some Fox shocks with the reserve reservoir. That's a very humbling gesture. I want to take this time to let you guys know that a lot of times at my job, I feel like a loser because of the way I'm treated. I work harder than anyone at my job, and my friends will vouch for me on that one. A lot of people tell me stop working so hard, and I can't do it. I don't know where I remember hearing this, but it's an old saying. If you get paid $1, you do $1.50 worth of work. And I live by that because it's the old timers that built this country. And you know, I look at this country sometimes, and you know, it's not what it used to be. The people have changed a lot, and I just want to remain old school mentality and continue working hard. No matter how I'm treated, I'm always going to work hard. I'm looking into changing jobs in the next couple of months. I just have a lot of road trips coming up. The next big one is in March, Lone Pine Van Meet. I will be at Diaz Lake March 4 and 5, Saturday and Sunday. And then April is my girlfriend's birthday month. So, you know, I don't want to start a new job and ask for a bunch of days off. So I just want to let you guys know that when I get comments and I get messages from you people, it means a lot to me, man. You guys boost my confidence in more ways than you know. Like I said, I feel like a loser sometimes, but when you guys leave me messages and my videos help you guys, I feel like I'm contributing to life. You know, I mean something. So thank you for the message. So yeah, man, I just want to give a shout out to my girlfriend too. Man, it's cool having a partner on these road trips. She's a trooper. She's willing to van camp for a night, then the next night we do a hotel. But yeah, she van camped with me at the Sunbeam Rest Area. Then we slept at the Kahula Hotel. I'm at the Kahula Casino. So me and Brooke are coming from Bombay Beach. We also went to Slab City today. Here's what the room looks like at the Kahula Casino Hotel. Here's the shower. Here's the room. Really comfortable bed. We're about an hour away from the off-roading spots. So yeah, I just have a bunch of footage. I uploaded a bunch already. Oh yeah, and to the guy that messaged me, I don't want to name his name because I don't know how private he wants to remain, but I hope you join us one day on one of our van meets. So he offered me a shocks because he had a two-wheel drive lifted van like mine, same lift kit as mine, but he decided to go with the U-joint 4x4 conversion. So I told him, I'm telling you now, buddy, join us. I want to do an off-roading van meet. And you know, the more the merrier. because yeah, when you go off-roading, you want people just in case someone breaks down, just in case somebody gets stuck, and you know, with your four-wheel drive, one of us may need to be pulled out. So for me, all I gotta do is the re-gear and rear locker. I will talk about how much the bigger tires has affected my van in another video, but yeah, definitely needs a re-gear. It's okay, the V10. Yeah, V10. How do you like my van, Mom?
It's nice and big. Is it B6?
No, it's B10. Yeah, V10. Yeah, V10. Mine's a smaller vehicle. Overcomes the bigger tires decently, but I definitely sense a loss of power, so I want the re-gear to regain stock power, stock transmission calibration. So yeah, once the rear locker's in and the re-gear's in, I'll have about 15,000 into this van, and I think this is a lot of vehicle that's decently off-road capable for 15,000. And then the one thing I forgot that I still need to do is a front mount tow hitch. So front mount tow hitch is another recovery point with a winch. So I want to put a winch on the front tow hitch receiver. So that's the plan. So yeah, the guy with the U-joint, come join us. We want to see what that U-joint 4x4 can do. And it has a little more lift. I believe you could fit 35s with no modifications on U-joints, maybe 37s. But yeah, I believe it has 35s. So I have 33s. Finally, I had 30s for a long time, but I have 33s. With the 4x4 conversion, you could go 35 with no chopping, maybe 37s with a little chopping. So I know you could fit 35s on a two-wheel drive lifted Econoline with some modifications, but 33s are good enough. I will say it right now, I lost about 2 miles per gallon without the re-gear. Hopefully with the re-gear, I will regain 1. I'll take 1. 35-gallon tank, that's 35 extra miles, right? So yeah, I appreciate you guys. You guys mean a lot to me, man. Like I said, I'm always going to work hard at my job, but I'm at the point of my life where I'm not volunteering for Saturdays anymore. I'll make more money going to my actual job if I volunteer Saturdays. I'm blessed to be able to make a little money here on YouTube, and I rather do that. I rather make extra YouTube content on my days off because I actually have fun doing it. And it wasn't about the money when I started this channel. It's just about maybe interacting with good, like-minded people someday, and I accomplished that more than I ever thought I would. When I get emails from people saying, hey, I just want to let you know, I'm not really into social media, but I have to reach out to you, it means a lot to me. And like I said, stuff like that really boosts my self-esteem when I'm down. And right now, going into work, I feel good. I got a direct manager who actually cares about me, and I got you guys, I got my girlfriend, my pets, family to look forward to. Life is gonna get better. Life is looking up. It's cool seeing what sort of adventure vehicles people have. I'm representing the vans, the lifted vans. Are they having a van meet? Is that a van meet there?
It might be.
Yeah, come on guys.
You come on camping here next time.
Maybe, huh? Maybe we should sleep out here.
Yeah, they don't want to do Slab City, come on Bay.
There's a van life right there. Here's my first attempt, and I just sat right here. No particular reason. I picked Jumpin' Jalapenos. So you gotta be a high roller. So I think you do that. I won 25 cents. I didn't win a couple $1,000. It's a schoolie. People are really creative in what sort of vehicle they're converting for their adventures. I'm just in my traditional extended van What are your guys' favorite, like, unconventional vehicles for these adventure rigs? I like ambulances a lot. Or the small U-Haul trucks, not the huge... Oh, wrong way. Old school. I like the small U-Haul trucks. Those are nice. Nice size.
In 800 feet.
Someday, it'll be our van convoy instead of Jeeps everywhere. Every time I spot a lifted van, I have to take a look at it if I can. That's an Action Van suspension lift. I could tell by the I-beam, it's still straight, not the bent beam style. Rancho shocks, it looks like. It might be a custom drop-down bracket. You never know. There's my lifted van. Camberg style, bent beam kit. I don't know if there's anyone doing custom drop-down brackets, but that didn't look like a bent beam kit. It looked like a straight I-beam still. Of course, I have a bias towards vans, especially lifted vans. But I like all kinds of adventure vehicles. I spotted this cool one right here. So what makes this thing so cool? Well, it looks like a 6-foot bed pickup. It's still a full size, so you still got the full size interior. But have you seen what these campers look like? The inside, they're really nice. They look like this. So yeah, man. That's a cool setup. It's a handy setup. So what those arms are is they come down and you could take the pickup somewhere else when you go camping. That's what those legs are for. So that's a cool setup. Nice compact setup there.